Oh man, it feels so different, bro. Whoa, yeah, it does. Yo. Okay, so Bradley should be on his way right now. So again, we're just gonna go to the post office. We're gonna go to Jason Britton's shop, No Limit, out in Westminster. It's off Golden West and Garden Grove Boulevard. And yeah, I'm gonna get my chain sprocket done. I'm actually gonna see if they can help me out with my suspension. Squidward? Squidward? Oh yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah, no, I gotta go in and then I just gotta drop it out like inside. I wiped it just before I got on, like before we left. I'm sending this to Z up in LA. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, sometimes like I know like you could drop off the thing. Like you could just throw it in the bucket, but sometimes I don't want to get like too close behind them. And so I just wait for the guy to be like, "Oh yeah, you could give it to me" or something. All right, so No Limit. That's what I'm telling you. Like they gotta break in. Oh. I was worried for you, dude. Oh shit, man. Hello. Should I give him a card? You should give him one. Nice, too far. Which left? Is it at the far left? That shit's tight.
Close your bike, dude. Just close the gates.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Got another CBR right here. Out here with Bradley at No Limits, trying to do a little vlog. Look at this CBR.
Yeah, no. This one has stunts.
This one's definitely had new fairings, or different fairings. I like the bronze, huh? So it's bronze, gold forks.
Looks legit. Like
This might be 08, huh? For gold forks, unless you got it redone.
Oh, that's Jason Britton's CX-7, dude.
Stunt it out. That's insane. This is so freaking sick, man. I like this color. If I had to get a Cali, I'd probably get this. What's that?
Brake fluid.
Oh, I see what you meant. Yeah, it's not there anymore.
Yep.
That's so badass.
So you just take a punch.
Right.
Maybe.
Are you?
Yeah, to loosen the preload a little.
Yeah.
And then let me see if this one will get in. Nope, that one ain't.
Damn, dishes you can clean now.
What's going on, Bob? Call him up on keep cleaning the water.
New chain, kind of new front sprocket and new rear. OEM spec them. Yeah, man.
For real, it straight up feels different. I'm not used to it. Like before, it would delay and then it would just get like sputter, and then it would kind of just feel like it wouldn't move, right? It was choppy. I think we'll be good. It's a lot smoother now, Bradley. Yeah, the throttle, like. Oh wait, is that? Hey, what's his name again? Let's wait up for him right here. Bro, he almost slipped out though. You see that shit? Dude, that shit is hella loud. What's up, man? You wanna go? He's gonna go gas station. Okay. At motor helmets, it would have been like 120 bucks for just the chain. No sprocket, and then I don't even know if they were gonna charge the service or not. The limit was 180 for the chain and sprocket, which is like normal, right? But that's the discount. That's the discount price. And then just another like 95 for like labor, yeah. Which is I'm chill. Like 290 for this. Fuck, man. Feels pretty good. They're opening up a Farmer's Boys here. My shirt's coming up. Oh, the crosswind's lifting my shirt. My shirt is coming up. I won't be full naked. Cars, looks like it's turning. All these cars turning. Oh, watch out for the Civic, bro. He's gonna spin out, dude. Ride it like you stole it.
Fuck that guy.
That guy's fucking crazy, huh?
Fuck that guy.
I'm this light right here. Bradley's gonna be the Euclid light, so yeah. Alright, dude, I'll see you, bro. Well, that was a pretty fun ride. I got a lot done today. I'm gonna do an outro because I don't know if I'm gonna keep filming more, but thank you for watching today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to No Limit for taking the time out to get my chain and sprocket on. Like, I really appreciate it. They even cleaned my bike. They cleaned everything out for me. Honestly, highly recommend it if you guys are ever needing a shop to go to. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.